When say Kotoko team no was here, Asante Kotoko team no was here.
Right.
Say Kotoko see or call a professional way. Now or manage club no how it's supposed to be here.
Yeah.
The money under the management of Kotoko. Who's a PR when you're funny?
It's a whole
department
for PR. Yes. Because there are sections.
They should have a marketing department and that of the finance department.
Yes.
Unisaka, the best person who qualifies to be Kotoko's communication director, the best person in Ghana, by Kankam Boadu.
Oh, sir. So a PR expert.
Yes.
He has degrees in PR.
He's the best person Kotoko.
Why are they not talking to him?
But maybe you know.
Yes, because that will give you better. Yeah, and he has a degree in it.
I am telling you, the best person to handle that department. No, this one you go forward as you.
Sir.
He will have a promoter of Kotoko games.
For him, he understands what PR means. So you know
which the communication department of Asante Kotoko.
Great.
You should have professionals. And I don't know on performance.
Yeah.
Spend money.
I didn't say Obi Krabeka like somebody who is on radio and you are doing that. It's very appalling.
I mean, I want the best for you. Yeah. Where he can best fit.
Nipa is super Kotoko.
That is our thing. So you put him there. My brother handled this department for us.
Yes.
This is
yeah.
Jamaica doesn't take anything away from Wajuma. Oh yeah.
That will give him much bigger
and the Uncle School
prestige.
Yeah. That position.
Yeah.
Pay him big money.
Let him on your radio no in a full-time job.
I don't perform some taking risks, but you should take risks. Sometimes when I say you with me time radio so I want them to say.
Yeah.
Can you best fit that position? Both Kotoko and House of Folk, even how to market their games, but they don't know how to market their games.
That's true.
Say you're marketing Kotoko has game.